Hey viewers, welcome back to another video for the DIY Harbor channel. And here you can see I have the last site I used in my last video. Now I added a forward slash and some text that doesn't lead me to an actual page just to get my 404 error popped up on the screen. Now in this video I'll be speaking about custom 404 pages, and what I mean custom is not the one that you actually do in your WordPress site or whatever you do in your full stack development, but it's one from the cPanel. So here I am on my cPanel, and most cPanels for your hosting providers, they are usually the same. Now, if you don't have access to your cPanel, that's something a developer should do. But if a developer ever did this and you are running WordPress, it's quite easy to install a plugin for File Manager and be able to revert the changes. The changes I'm speaking about is, if I scroll down, I'm going to go to advanced, and here we are, error pages. In the error pages, there are lots of errors. The one we want to speak about is, you can choose either one, but I'm just going to speak about 404 because it's one of the main pages that pop up to your visitors when the access of page is not found. So on my 403 right there, sorry, my 404, it says that this page is not currently found, and that's a great thing because these pages, they are usually static. Right there, I show you right there, we don't have the 404 page from the cPanel settings, but now I'm going to create this file just by adding this right there, and I'm going to add something like, this is your IP. You can easily enter some nice HTML coding with CSS or whatever, and enter it inside it to create a 404 page or error page that looks quite nicely. But the error if it is that, for example, in your footers, you usually have the current year. You may not get that available unless you use JavaScript, whatever. This is my IP. It usually changes because I'm using a VPN, so just be aware of that. I can have it shown on the screen, doesn't really matter. What's really the issue is that most people don't know how to revert or how to undo these changes. I delete this, and now my page is empty, but this file is still there. So to get straight to the point, what really you have to do, you have to go to your file manager. So I can just click it right there. I already have it open, but anyways, and in my cPanel file manager, if you don't have access to your cPanel and you want to report these changes, what you have to do is get a file manager plugin on your WordPress. Now, I'm generally speaking about WordPress. It's like I said in my last video, I create lots of WordPress sites for customers. If you need one, hit me up in the comments, hit me up on contact, and I can hook you up on a great site, nice and affordable. Now, here is the exact file I was not found, but now it's created. What you really have to do is delete it. If that's done, you can refresh this and get your 404 page back in action.